Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install HP LaserJet M102a printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear in this window before we can proceed. Once it's here, please double tap to continue. If two windows are being shown up, just have to close the other window so that we can focus in this one. So we just have to wait until the search bar would be available to center before we can proceed. And once it's here, please type for HP space LaserJet space M102a driver. Once you've typed it, hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So please proceed with the first result, which is under support.hp.com, which is the official website for HP. All you need to do is you need to click on it. And the moment you do it, wait until you would be redirected to this kind of window where you can see the HP LaserJet Pro M102a. So our Windows 11 is not detected. It's not detecting Windows 11, but it's detecting Windows 10 64-bit. And most Windows 10 work for the Windows 11. Okay, 100% it will work for Windows 11, so no worries for that. All you need to do is you need to scroll down and you can see there the HP LaserJet Pro M102a. Aligning to it, you can see there a download option. All you need to do is you need to click on download and automatically, eventually it will now start on the downloading process. We just have to click on this download icon at the upper right side of it to track on the download progress. So by here, we just have to wait until this file, the exe file, would be completely downloaded before we can continue to the installation. Once it is being downloaded, click this folder icon to show it in folder. And eventually you would be redirected to this location. All you need to do is you need to click on the scat icon. And the moment you do it, close this window as well as this. Make a right click here in this desktop and go with this paste icon. The moment we have pasted it, let's move on the extraction of this file. So by that, make a right click. Okay, and then you need to scroll down. Okay, please scroll down, and at the second to the last option, we just have to wait until this would be ready. And once it is being set, please select it and go with extract to. So eventually it will now start on the extraction. We just have to wait until this would be finished before we proceed to the installation of this printer driver. So once a file folder is being created here at the desktop, we need to proceed to the button search bar here and type for settings. Once you've typed it, wait until a BASMA should appear, and once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on open to continue. Now proceed to the left side of that. You can see there are Bluetooth and devices. Please click on it. And from here, go with devices. And under the devices, you need to scroll down and locate for the related settings. Or here you can find a more devices and printer settings. So please click on it and wait until a new window would show up here in the screen, which is the devices and printers. And once it's here, please navigate to the top of that. You can see there add a printer. Please click on it and go with the printer that I want is enlisted and select on add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Go with next. And if it will ask you to use for an existing port, click this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. It could be 001, 2, or 3. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Go with next. Okay, and go with have disk. Click in browse. The moment you do it, you would be able to see this kind of window. Proceed to the desktop since our extracted file is being located here and scroll down and locate for it. So double tap to it. Okay, and it will show you all of the driver file. Just select any of this. Okay, this function similarly, just select any of this. In my case, I'll be using auto run. Go with open and click on OK. So in this way, you would be able to see this one, which is M101 to M106. So our M102a is included in this one. So no worries for that. Go with next and please rename that into M102a space, then delete this extended name. Okay. Once you're good, click on next and it will now start on the installation. We just have until this process will be finished. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue on the installation of this printer driver. Once you're good, please click on next once again. And if you would like it to set it as your default printer, check the box. In my case, I'm leaving it unchecked. And if you would like to do a print a test page, you can select on it. So go with finished. Once you're good, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet M102a printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.